We got a little item haul from Lowe's as well as Home Depot. Just a couple little items, some wall anchors, and something else. Please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, so I went to Lowe's, I picked up these two items, and I went to Home Depot and I picked up these items. I was also looking for a hose. I was looking for a just a 5/8 6-inch or a 6-foot hose and a 5/8 15-foot hose. 15-foot hose was for my wife. She wants to hook up a sprinkler system to the hose, which I haven't bought the splitter yet, where we're going to split the spigot into 4 different spigots available. But I was trying to get just a couple little items so, you know, we can just gradually just get each item, and eventually we'll have everything we need to do what she wants for her garden. But I went to 2 different Home Depots, 2 different Lowe's. I went to Cal Ranch Tractor Supply. Nobody had 6-foot hoses for some reason, and usually they're used where it goes from the spigot to, you know, a hose box, you know, where you put your 100-foot spool of hose on a spool and it hooks to the outside. That was what the 6-foot hose was for, but nobody had any that were, I was looking for one that was a dark color, you know, black or a dark gray or something like that, and everybody had those really ugly seafoam green ones. But only one Home Depot had anything. But the Lowe's, I picked up another one of these because the hose in the backyard, I have this in the backyard as well as the front yard for the hoses, and the one in the backyard's rotten too, and it's leaking all over the place. So I just picked up this, and this is the actual unit that's leaking, which is the little ball valve. So I picked those up, and I grabbed just a quick coupler to replace the other one if the other one is having an issue. If the other one's not, then I have an extra. What I picked up at Home Depot is I picked up a number 8 to number 10 by 1 inch. These are for use in drywall and plaster. They're plastic ribbed anchors. It's a 100-pack. Half-inch drywall shear, 22 pounds. Concrete shear, 210 pounds. I also picked up a blue one, which is bigger. This one's an 8 to 10. This one is a 10 to 12, and it is a 1 1/4 inch length. Working load, half-inch drywall shear, 23 pounds. Concrete shear, 250 pounds. And then I picked up the size bigger than that. This one is number 14 to number 16 by 1.5 inches long. Working load limits, half-inch drywall shear, 25 pounds. Concrete shear, 435 pounds. This is a 50-pack. The 10 to 12 is a 75-pack, and the 8 to 10 1-inch is a 100-pack. These are plastic ribbed anchors. They're Everbilt. Everbilt sells bolts and nuts and washers to Tractor Supply and Cal Ranch. Most of the steel, you know, the steel bar and flat stock bar that you get from Home Depot is Everbilt. Even I think my True Value in town sells Everbilt. And then I also picked up this large pack, this DuoPower Contractor Strength anchors, and holds up to 55 pounds. There's a number 6 to 10, 35, and a number 8 to 12, which is a 25. It comes with the screws for both sizes, as well as a Phillips bit, as well as a 1/4 inch and 5/16 drill bit. And it works for drywall, plaster, tile, block, brick, concrete. That's what they look like. So I'm like, oh, that's not bad. It's a nice kit. Figure we give these a try. I've been using these styles for years, but these, they seem a lot nicer. So, just a quick little video. I'll probably do a video of installing them. I needed some more anchors for chargers and things I've been mounting on the wall. I also need them for mounting stuff in my barn. But I do appreciate you guys watching. Please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the bell notification icon for future updates. All of this here was like 40 bucks. And that's combining both stores. Again, for future updates, as well as go check out my Amazon affiliate links. And I'm now an Acme Tools affiliate, so please go check out some of those links. And I will talk to you guys on the next video. Appreciate your time, appreciate you stopping by, and thank you for watching. Peace!